I got signal.
Let's see if it connected.
Yeah, I've already
got it.
Up here, yeah.
All right. Okay. Well, I talked to my agent. Hello? Jesus Christ, you gotta be kidding me. How's Gulag Priest beating us in the fucking ratings? God damn it, I gotta sell this house. I'm not gonna be able to... Jesus Christ, thanks for calling me. All right. Hi, folks. I'm here outside my brother's lovely home. He's got to sell this place, and let me tell you what, we're the illegitimate children from a semen ritual, but hey, let's not worry about that. Those elites, they did what they did, and now we're here. But look at this house. It is beautiful. It is equipped with lawn ornaments. We have, come on, cameraman. Look at this. Follow me up here. Look at this beautiful dirt. You can grow anything here. Much like the calamity that I grew in the economic crisis back in 2008. That was my fault, folks. I caused the housing market crash. I really apologize for that. That's why I bring you all this entertainment right here. My show right now, Real Estate's here. Hey! Real Estate's. All right, look at this house. Now look how high I am. You can fight off anybody from up here. Look at this. Get this eye line up here, cameraman. Look at this. Look at this, cameraman. Look at, you have a clear view. You have a clear view of any enemy that tries to come up here, just like the enemies that try to get my brother because of his gambling debts. He likes to bet on hospital deaths and insurance payouts, but hey, that's what our family does. I made a lot of bad decisions, folks. Qualifications for home lending, I eliminated. Anyone can get a home lend, okay? Subprime mortgages, we sold those to people. People bought them, and people, let me tell you, folks, it crashed the market real bad. All right, Jesus Christ. My brother said he was going to be here, but he's not. Oh, thank you, cameraman. My brother's not here, so we're going to have to enter in this house. We're going to go around back, but don't worry, it's more secure than those mortgage-backed securities that I recommended that people buy. Okay, folks, let's go around here. Okay, now we're going to go around back. Don't worry, it's more secure than the mortgage-backed securities that I recommended that people buy, but hey, it was a good investment at the time until I said, hey, no qualifications for anybody. Anyone can buy a mortgage and anyone can sell that mortgage. Special purpose entities, that was my term. Okay, come around back, folks. We're going to enter in through the basement because my brother Johnny, he is not here yet. Okay, just hold your breath, cameraman. It's going to get real stinky. We have a septic leak. Okay, look at that. You have a clear hose line that runs from the plumbing straight out here. This is your shit, folks. This is your shit and piss that just flows out of here, right out of the house. You don't have to live with it in these post-apocalyptic times. You don't have to worry about the shit, but you do have to worry about the radiation. But don't worry, folks. This neighborhood is rated -2 radiation points. You can live here for a very long time, folks. Come on. Now, around back, we have equipped here this beautiful garbage can. Look here, folks. You can fit about 34 gallons of water in here. Any sort of rainwater, tap water, even your piss that you want to repurpose for drinking. Now, remember, this garbage... This is my garbage. It goes with me and my brother when we leave. But this is his house, so he makes that call. He can leave it if he wants, but I say take it. But come on anyway, folks. Now, right here, we can see where the Fukushima blast was radiated through here. Good Lord, Johnny. Good Lord, Johnny. What is wrong with you? What happened to our family? Oh, my God. Oh. Well, welcome back, folks, to Real Estates. We just got back from the basement. My brother's not here, so I had to break in to my brother's own home. But here we are, and now we're going to show off the inside of this interior of this house. Welcome to the living room, folks. If you come with me, cameraman, we have this beautiful 400 square foot living room. We have 2 couches right here. And now, these couches, right, these come with the house. These were here when we bought the house. These were bought with collateral damage debt that we bought from other people that sold stuff they shouldn't have sold, okay? It's, for instance, drug dealers, they have a home, they sell their home, we buy that stuff from them because they can't sell it anywhere else. Even in these post-apocalyptic times, it doesn't happen anymore, folks. They're done. Okay, now, we'll come around here to these bay windows. You don't get bay windows like this with this little radiation, okay? Look at this, folks. You can get the rays of the sun without worrying about any sort of nuclear fallout frying your skin too early or too late. Because remember, folks, there's no insurance anymore because I ruined that because of my damages that I did and my decisions that I made for people. Now let's have a sit down here. Cameraman, I want to break down credit default swaps. Okay, this is another one of my ideas. So essentially you have a corporation, a pension wants to invest in that said corporation, but another insurance company will insure that investment. Now let's say another company comes along, a hedge fund, mind you, it's a more powerful pension fund. They're like, hey, I want to invest in this too, but I bet that corporation is going to fail. So they buy insurance in that corporation. It's worth more than the corporation. And they're like, this is beautiful. I bet it's going to fail. And it does fail. They get a huge payout. Everybody else, a house of cards falls down. It hurts them, folks. People died. And I caused World War III, but come into this kitchen, look at this fresh grout. You will not find any sort of grout this fresh. Look at that. Come on. Look at here. Look at that beautiful tile. Look at that. You get beautiful diamonding right here. You have the beveled edge. You don't get this, folks. You don't get this anywhere anymore, folks. Look at that. Nice and smooth. We have a block next to the refrigerator. Also doubles as a restaurant. Come in here, folks. Look at how much food you can fit in here. 200 square feet of pure food. Look at this, folks. We got your beer. We have Tim Tams. We have... Cameraman, you got to get your cable logistics better. But no.
He's a dog bowl.
All right, dogs don't eat bowls anymore. They're just Kung Pao chicken. Now look at this, 400 square feet of pure food storage. We have a freezer that barely freezes, but it's a second refrigerator door. Excellent, folks. Now look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful high turning burners. You can go high, you can go low. Look at this. You can cook food for the family. If there was still a family, even though you bought a mortgage and you lost your home because you defaulted on your payments, but hey, whoever holds that mortgage owns your home. So might want to think about buying it fully, folks. Now here we go. Look at this oven, complete with cardboard. You can make prison cake in here. Delicious. Okay, now, come look at here. We have typewriters. You can type to me at the VHS station where I broadcast to you all the beautiful shows you love, Pastor Taker, Real Estates, and hey, In the Kitchen with Johnny. All right, now you can type to me. You can tell me what you like, don't like about my show. You can also grow plants out of here because plants are very rare these days. Most of them are radiation, but this one is one of the few plants that's no longer radiated. All right, we have onions. Now this sink, the water flows, as you can see, with the flies. You get flies in with the flowing water. And also, too, we are brought to you by what used to be Tostinos. Delicious sauce for chips that used to be. Delicious. All right, now we have a cast iron. This comes with the house. You'd never want to clean it, folks. Look at that cast iron. You get plenty of iron with your food, along with your dog bowl and your cereal foods that you like to eat because you're a human and you love vitamins. All right, that's what cereal is. It's vitamin dog food for people. All right, you learned that on my brother's show. Now, if you look here, we have a storage closet. 200 square feet of storage. 200 square feet of storage closet in this. We have wastebasket, number one. Wastebasket number two, we have dustpan. Comes with the home. You can't find these anywhere, folks. God damn, you can't find them anywhere. All right, now, coming in here, we're going to the foyer, cameraman. We have this beautiful 3-seater. You can watch TV. You can watch my shows. I broadcast VHS every week for you live, okay? Because there's no longer any tapings, although it is on tape and it's broadcasted. I cannot store those footages. It's all live, folks. Come on. Now, we have the lovely sex mannequin that also comes with the home. This mannequin you can masturbate to or with. It does not matter. But look at those nipples, folks. Realistic. Over here, we have a beautiful gun rack. Beautiful. Okay, now on to the nice, spacious. This is the front room. This is the first room you're going to enter. We would have entered this room first had my brother Johnny have been here, but we had to go in through the basement, folks. All right, we have fireplace that's hidden behind this beautiful 1969 Alphonse Brothers bicycle. You can't find this bicycle anymore, folks, because it's outdated. Okay, and now we have beautiful pictures from the set of Pastor Taker. Don't want to knock over that bike, folks, but look at that. That's coming up on our brand new episode of Pastor Taker. This is one of the beautiful pictures you will receive for a donation, folks. But I'm not going to give too much away because I have a lot of shows I have to plan because of my calamity with the 2008 housing market crash and also my decisions that I made that have caused people a real calamity, folks. I made decisions in 2009 that weren't known until 2018. Okay? A lot of people got hurt. But anyways, look at the front door. Look at this window. Look at this wood. Look at that. This is smooth, sanded wood. You're not going to get any splinters, folks. Someone tries bursting in through your door, you can shoot straight through it. Don't have to worry about any splinters for you, plenty of splinters for them. Okay, folks, come on here. Look at this beautiful chair. I'm going to go ahead, sit down in the chair. Come here, dog. Come here, dog. Come here, dog. Come here. Okay, folks, now let me tell you something. In these great economic downtrots, you're going to need food. All right, now this lovely dog here, this is what you call this lovely dog. This is what you do for Chinese, folks. This is, you want Chinese in the post-apocalypse? You need to get yourself a dog. All right, now look here. This cut of meat right here, great for Kung Pao chicken. Right here, great for sweet and sour nuggets. Right here, the neck, you can make meatball soup with this neck right here. Look at that. You can just get it nice and tenderized, let it cook. That's a good doggy. That is a real good dog. You're going to make a lovely meal for a lot of people. Look at this. I can. How's it going? Hello?
You tap?
Tap, tap.
Oh, you're still coming through. Okay, not bad.
Okay.
All right, so let's start back from the line. We're like, okay, we're going to go around back.
Gun rack. Now, what we're going to do is go into this room. Okay, so